holographic action.
The camera's on me, yo.
Yeah, go and do it.
Oh
shit, go now! Oh, see that one? Right, welcome back. This is the Type R Fn2 and we're going to do an oil change on it. All you will need is a 17 mil and that's it. And your oil. Jeff's using a casserole.
0W30.
0W30.
It's thin like water.
Thin like water. And then we got the oil filter. The oil filter on this is at the bottom. Oh, annoying. Right, so first thing, fucking hell. Right, get on your hands and knees, so we're going down underneath there. Oh, I need a bucket. 1 second. How's it looking, like? Right, give me the camera, let me show. Right, the bolt. Oh, fucking hell, you bastard. The bolt is right there. See that there? It's a 17 mil, right? Gotta get that one right there. Hang on, Zeke. You gotta get it. 17 mil.
Where am I filming?
Right there.
So dark. Okay, there you go.
Fucking hell. Now we gotta smack it. There she goes. Tray. And then keep it out. Be careful. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
What's the dump plate?
WWE. Fucking hell.
Getting that plate for you, bro.
We were gonna play together, yo, but you called me. I was gonna butcher him up. Yeah.
Hey, I caught the bolt. See that, Zeke? Can you see it?
Yeah.
So coming down. She's going down now. Alright, you're gonna just let that drain. And then bolt over here, Zeke, look at it. Shite.
Over there, it.
Oh yeah, you can hear it gushing out. Look at it, Zeke. Gushing.
Is it like water because it's
I think your washer on there is alright as well, you don't need to replace it.
Oh, is it on it?
Yeah, washer's alright. Look at that. It's got some girth to it. Look at it, Zeke. Get a zoom in. If it was like all squished, then replace your washer. It's alright. Right. So we let that drain.
You need a montage of how many times it's Sadiq, and you also need a montage for get a zoom in on it. Get a zoom in on it, Sadiq.
Right now, we gotta take the oil filter off, and it's in an awkward spot. It's all the way at the bottom. You go and learn today, boy. Right, let me just get my special nifty tool. We're back in with it.
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta change the oil filter from underneath the fucking car, bro. That is effort, bro. Look, bro, look how where he is. He's not even in the middle of the car.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Look where he is.
I'm thinking there, let me think. Because it's going to be hard for you people to know without taking this off. But I don't want to take this off, it's fucking long.
That's massive, bro. What the fuck?
My finger's right here. How am I going to show you on the camera? There's not enough space.
Wait,
for me.
can I see you from the top?
No, you
There's a
can't.
gap there.
Nah, mate.
Shit, panels there, yo.
Paddle chips.
No gap. One bolt there. I think if I take that one bolt off.
No, wait, Hamza.
Yes.
Can we not take the wheel off? One down with that wheel.
I think. Yeah. Right, we're going to take the wheel off just so you can see. So I'll show you. Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, that's it there. Right there, man filter. So what I've done is I've just literally fucking taken that there just so you can see it. It's fucking awkward to get to. But look, I got wounded. Look at that. There you go, see. Get it, you bastard. Right, where's my gadget? Where's my gadget?
Camera in my face.
So now, I gotta use one of these and try and catch it and then unlock it. Wait, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Can I get the light here? Because I can't see nout. And you won't be able to see nout.
Get the light, then.
Yeah. So you go get the light. Jeff, get that bolt back on it. Just so it stops dripping. Because it stopped dripping. Yeah. Get underneath there, Jeff, just put the bolt back on. And then I'll move this pan over here because it's going to start dripping. Because right now, see that's
Thing on it, yeah.
it's loose now. Wait, it's a bit loose. Yeah, it's pretty much loose. Can you see it?
Where's the thing? Oh, fucking hell, come on,
Yeah, it should be dripping. Yeah, it's loose now.
It's not dripping, yeah.
And can you see it, see?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, moving.
Blurry, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she did. Oh, it's dripping.
Is this still done? Fuck, it was in the way, though, couldn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Get from the right side, Jack.
Yeah.
Just so I can move this pan underneath here. It's gonna start really dripping. Yeah, it's already started dripping. Can you see it, Sweet, over there? Look at the drips. There she go. How's it looking, Joe?
Yeah, it's not dripping over.
Yeah.
So just put it on just hand tight.
Yeah, hand tight. Yeah, just move this over to this. Right, yeah, move it. I think it's all just landing on there anyway. Right.
Let's give it a little wrap, put the sheet with.
Right. Oh, here she comes. Oh wait, it's all just landing in there, bro. Fuck.
What was it?
Right.
I just realised it, you know when the car scrapes underneath,
Yeah.
it's all the way fucking back here, bro, like all the paint's come off here, but the actual bumper is...
Yo, check the oil, bro. The oil's just leaking in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, there she goes. Can you see it, Sweet? All the oils are coming in the plastic bit. Fucking get it off. Fucking such an orchard.
You know the washer right in there, come here.
Yeah.
Come have a look at this.
What is it?
You can see where it's actually scraping underneath the car.
Is it?
Yeah, bro, when I go over bumps.
Alright, bro. Keep your head down.
Yeah, it's bad, Joe, it's fucking miles away. Oh shit.
I wonder how long the thread is.
It's going all over the fucking thing.
I know. It's just full of oil. Fuck, where have I brought this? Oh, I had a fucking such a shite thing.
What do you do?
Yeah, I got it through. Look at it, it's just full of oil. Nope, we don't want it. Fuck, look at that. Hey? Yeah, I don't think the last person didn't change it. It's fucking full of rust. Don't want no blood in there. It's fucking bleeding, full of oil.
I'll seal the good out. Maybe some sides better though, it'll be good for your blood, eh? Work as a
Yeah. Fucking hell. Fuck up that. Alright, get the new one, let's see if this is the same. Bleeding. Right. As long as now you know where it is though. The perfect location. Location. Yeah, there she go. W6106. W610 W10. Comes with the washer there. Beautiful, mate. Alright, open some of that castrol there. Let's open it up and give me some oil. Give me the oil. That's the oil.
fuck's sake.
You've got a screwdriver here. And yeah, get that lube on it. And then just put them in there. God. This is the way it has something in there. Otherwise it'll be running dry.
You're right, that's birthing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, now to get this fucking in there. My in it, Sadiq. Yeah, there she go. You getting this, Sadiq?
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Are we winning?
Yeah, we're winning. There she goes. Luckily, it was loose. Imagine if it wasn't loose, bro. That's awkward. That way. Beautiful, mate. So I'm going to tighten the bolt underneath, and then we're going to bring the car down, and then we're going to put oil in it. Yeah.
Got in the video.
Yeah, you end it. Just say, look, you just got to pour the oil in. Check the dip. How much oil, Jack?
It says 4.7, but this is only 4 fucking
Yeah,
liters.
and then we're just going to mix the oil. So we shall see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.